Hi, I'm Rhoda Gordon. I am the owner of Sunflower Photo Solutions and the creator of Dig Your Photos, right behind me. Anyway, it's the end of a season. School's ending, different types of teams for your children are ending. And if your littles are moving on to another grade, or if they've just ended Little League, or even maybe some sort of other spring item of sports, or it's the end of the gymnastics season, or of course ballet, or any other type of dance. Now's the time to really consider creating some sort of emotional and memorable slideshow that you can share with your kids. It's something that they'll watch over and over again and really enjoy sharing with their friends and, of course, with family. So, the best way to go about it is to curate first before you start creating the slideshow. And the easiest way, if you have an iPhone, is to create an album. Call it something. Um, Little League 2026 Wyatt. And then pick the photos that you want to include in that slideshow. And also include a few, maybe three or four, 5 to 10, not more than 20-second videos. And of course, you can crop the videos even if they're longer, but for the slideshow as well. It'll really be meaningful. Make sure that you have some wider shots and pick, of course, close in shots of them making that perfect hit or throwing that perfect pitch or doing the pirouette or back bend, whatever it is that your child is really involved in. And then just create the slideshow. Once they're all in an album, what you do is you can use Apple Photos innate project creating uh, portion and create a slideshow. And you move the photos around once you open up a slideshow into the order that you want. And then you can add music as well. And you can also choose not to have music if you want the videos to be heard. But I do like when they're very short videos and there's photos to really have some memorable music that your kids will enjoy. And then the last thing you do, of course, is save it and then export it out so you can watch it on any type of device, any computer, your TV, whatever you want to watch it on. And if you don't have Apple Photos, you can actually use CapCut, which is an app you can use on your phone to create a slideshow or any type of video montage. So drop your questions that you may have in the comment section below, and I'll answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe because it's important for me to know what you actually are looking to learn about. Thanks.